Others Metric, Public Office Road, Nagapatnam. Have a nice day, 8th standard students. Very good. Right, now we are going to see about Unit 1. Prose. Hobby turns a successful career. Hobby turns a successful career. So before that, we are going to study this lesson. So you should know what is hobby, why we need hobby like this way. See the picture. What is the girl doing? She is drawing. Very good. What is the man doing? He is cooking. Very good. Will you like doing it? Why? Yeah. So somebody, you may have to create your own dishes, no? Very good. Next one. Do you like gardening? Okay. Why? So you can prepare your own vegetables. You can prepare vegetables, fruits, everything you can get from your own garden. Right. So what is the next girl is doing? What are the benefits of taking up cycling as a hobby? Yeah, you can get a fitness, body fitness. Right. Let us move then. Okay, well, next one, section 1. Reading. First listen. And you have to read out in your home. Okay. Once there was a boy named Mani. He was studying at the school in his village. He found it difficult to read and write. His grandfather noticed it and helped him by reading bedtime stories. Gradually, he started reading on his own. Now, he not only enjoyed reading, but also has started writing his own stories. Let us read an essay written by Mani. Okay, so there is a Mani is there, one boy is there. So he is studying in his village. There is a school is there. He is studying in the school. It is in his village. And so he found it is difficult to reading. So he can't able to read frequently. So what he is doing, his grandfather noticed it. And he is going to help him. How? The grandfather will tell bedtime stories to him. Of course, right. Gradually, the boy has get the knowledge to read. So like this way, he have to get the knowledge. So read, and every day you have to read out at least half an hour. You have to read out. Then you will get the exact pronunciation. By practice only you can learn. Right. So this boy Mani, he has written one essay that we are going to read out now. Hobbies are the activities that we do in our spare time. Hobbies are unique to people. Some like gardening, a few like photography, many have book reading as their hobby, while other hobbies are swimming, stamp collection, playing video games, and many more. So hobbies are you are doing in your spare time only. So other than reading, you have to practice your hobbies. It is very important. The practice may be, you may get very good knowledge and of course very effectiveness to your life. So it is very good for your life, developing your life. Like photography, somebody like to do swimming, stamp collecting, and somebody can do video games. You like video games, no? Right. So other things also you have to learn. Right. We'll go to the next para. People have hobbies not only to pass their free time, but also to do something useful. Hobbies help people learn new things relax after a tiring day and to energize their body and mind. Same is the case with me. I love writing, so it is my hobby. So in this para, he is explaining how he is involved in his hobby. So he is very happy to do his hobby. Of course, it may be relax for if you are feel tired, no. So that time it is very relaxing. So you can do writing essays or even anything, stamp collecting or anything you can do. It is very helpful for you, right? Next one, whatever you like to do, make it a hobby. Warren Buffett. Okay, we'll go to the next para. Writing is a unique hobby because most people don't want to exhaust themselves in their spare time. Many feel that writing is tough, but I do not think so. I feel writing is like painting our voice. When I get free time, I pick a pen and a notebook and start painting by ideas in words. I write stories, poems, and sometimes about my feelings. My mind relaxes when I pour my thoughts as words. So writing energizes me. So dear students, in this para we have to see that his hobby is unique. It is separate one. It is separate for each and every people because people don't want to exhaust themselves. So if you are work more and every part of your life, no, if you are working more, if you are studying, if you are writing more, so in that period, if you feel any difficult, if you feel bored, that time you have to utilize that time. You have to do your hobby. So many of the people may think writing is very tough. They can able to write, but here Manikandan he won't do. So he won't think like that. So he feel writing is very easy to him. So he felt writing is very easy to him. If he get any free time, in his free time he is doing. He took a pen and a notebook, and then he is sitting and starting writing and of course painting. So while doing painting, you have to take a brush and draw something. No, that same kind he is doing. Take a pen and he is writing the essays. That is words. So collection of words, it will form a essay. Do you understand? So he is writing stories, poems, and many times he feel his feelings. So his mind maybe relax while writing this one. So he has very relaxed in this time while writing essay or of course any stories. Next one. When I write things, my imagination is at its best. I imagine a world with magic and magicians where I can fly and birds can talk. Writing helps me completely immerse into that world. Sometimes I sit with small children and entertain them with these stories of mine. The happiness of their faces makes me to write more and better. So in this para he is explaining, so he felt he can fly, he can imagine birds can talk with him, and of course it is a very very easy to switch over his mind to other bodies, like fly birds. He can fly as a bird. He can talk birds like that, and he can thinking many stories. And of course, he felt his feeling is he's sitting with children, and like this way he is going to act like that. So while he is imagining, that is, if he is writing, some people are reading, some children reading, no? That time he felt very happy. So the children are very happy. So looking their face, he is imagining, the children are happy. That time he is looking the faces of children, and it will give more happiness to him also. So he can write more and better. Another para. Although writing is just a hobby for me, yet it is very beneficial. It opens my mind to think beyond the little things with a broader mind. It makes me more passionate about my life. It makes me learn new things and enjoy every moment of my life. So in this para, he thought about writing is a hobby for him. It is very benefit for him, and while writing, it will open his mind, so he can able to think differently. He can openly thought and write many things. So, but sometimes he has with a border mind. So he has fixed some border. So it is very different kinds of thinking. So it makes he can learn new things and enjoy the moment of his life. Let us see the very important word, that is, writing is easy. All you have to do is cross out the wrong words. Mark Twain, he is the author, philosopher, writer. He says, writing is easy. All you have to do is cross out the wrong words. Now we go to the next para. My hobby helped me in school too. When I started writing things, I was unable to describe them accurately. With time, my experiences helped me think of new ideas, and this made me a good writer. So in this paragraph, he explains hobby is helping to his activities in school also. So he can write things, and he can able to describe accurately. So he can what he is thinking, no, that thing he can explain through writing very accurately. He can explain. Next also, through his experience, new ideas will come, and it makes his it makes him very good writer. So he becomes a very good writer. Now we can see the next para. Now I look out for things which I was not able to see before. Hence, I can describe things better in my stories. I feel no problem with writing English essays or stories, as it is my hobby. To become a better writer, I spend time on learning how to write in different forms, like fiction and non-fiction. It is important to always learn and improve our hobbies. Who knows, one day I could be a writer like R.K. Narayan. So in this para, he is explained. So he has well versed while writing again and again. He is writing many things now. So he is very much very experienced guy, and he describes about many things. in his stories. So there is no problem in writing essays. So he is very strong in his writing essays. And it is starting with his hobby. Now it is very useful for him because he will become a very good writer, story writer or essay writer. So he is spending time to his very good useful time. He is writing in different forms, and important always improve his hobbies also. So he is saying, so our hobby will improve ourselves. So one day he become a good writer like R.K. Narayan. He is a very good writer in India. So he thought he become like a R.K. Narayan. Okay? Okay, lesson is over. Children, so you have to read out through this entire lesson, and we'll go to the glossary also. Right? Right, coming to the glossary part. So you should have to understand the meaning of some words, that is unique, distinctive or uncommon. Second one, exhaust, tire out. Third one, energizes, give energy. Fourth one, passionate, intense or heartfelt. So anyone you can write, intense or heartfelt. Next one, accurately, exactly. Sixth one, fiction. Fiction means imaginative writing. Okay. My dear students, let us see read and understand portions. Okay. Right. A. Say true or false. 1. Mani's hobby is playing cricket. Yeah, very good. False. Second one. Hobbies are unique to people. Good. True. Answer is true. Third one. People have hobbies only to pass time. Answer is false. Right, false. Let us go to the B one. Choose the correct answer. 1. Mani imagine a world with music and musicians, building and sculptures, magic and magicians. Answer is magic and magicians. Very good. Second one. When Mani started writing things, he was unable to dash. Which one come? Describe them accurately, describe them fluently, describe them imaginatively. Which one? A. Option A. Describe them accurately. Third one. Mani feels writing is like dash. Painting the voice, engraving the voice, designing the voice. Right. The answer is option A. Painting the voice. Very good. Thank you.
உங்கள் அன்பான குழந்தைகள் சிறந்த முறையில் படிக்க ஒரு மிகச்சிறந்த பள்ளி ஆதர்ஷ்.